Paperwork, KYCs, documentation, initial fees, and then long wait for approvals. Opening a trading account seems like an impossible task, let alone starting to trade. पर अब मिनटों में खोलिए अपना ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. Zero account opening fees, no paperwork, no queues. A truly online account for every generation with Tradebulls DIY account opening. So to begin with, first and foremost, visit our website and simply start by verifying your mobile number with an OTP. Securely validate your PAN and fill in a few personal and FATCA details. Next, you need to enter your bank account details for easy fund transfers. Then, we help you with a personalized brokerage plan. Accept the terms and conditions and complete your in-person verification through your device camera. And lastly, e-sign your documents to open your Tradebulls online trading account. That's all. After successful verification, your account will be activated. So what are you waiting for? Visit diy.tradebulls.in and open an account and start trading in minutes without ever leaving the comfort of your home. Because we believe अब ट्रेडिंग सबके बस की बात है.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all rated documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are exemplary and not recommendatory.